Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Marijoy Ballesteros from Cavite, Philippines. I am 34 years old, single, and I have a son aged 9 years old. I am a high school graduate. I've been a domestic helper for 5 years in Philippines for a family of 3 members, 2 adults and 1 child. My duties and responsibilities are keeping the house clean, cooking, ironing, washing dishes and clothes, marketing, groceries, send and pick up the kid to school, and help her with her homework. I can take care of a newborn baby because I have a son and I myself who took care of him. I became a full-time mom after working as a helper. I love to play and sing with children. Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame, and 1 for the little boy who lives down the lane. To all children, I make sure they are clean and hygienic and healthy. I prepare them with healthy foods. To all employer in Hong Kong, please choose me. I am hardworking, honest, trustworthy, reliable, and kind. I promise to do my duties and responsibilities until my contract is finished. Thank you and see you soon.